This is Void Linux, an independent distribution that's built entirely from scratch. Void Linux is available as a base version and an XFCE version. I'll use the XFCE image for this video. These are the virtual machine specs. If you dislike XFCE desktop environment, you can use the base version and manually set up and customize your install. Void Linux doesn't come with a GUI installer, so to install it, open the terminal and run the following command. You can then use this simplified text-based installer. I'll show you a quick way to install it. The first options are personal preferences. Make sure to install the bootloader onto the disk. On partition setup, use CF disk. On file systems, select ext4, then type the following. Now simply go to install, then select yes to start installing. You'll have the option to enable services, which is the last step of the install process. Once the installation is complete, select Yes to reboot the system. This is its resource usage. It uses around 450 megabytes of RAM on idle, and around 3.8 gigabytes of disk space. These are all the applications that come with Void Linux. The pre-installed web browser is Firefox. This is its resource usage when playing a YouTube video, which is around 1.2 gigabytes. And since it's using XFCE, it comes with all XFCE appearance customization tools and options. That's pretty much it for Void Linux.